Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are starting exercise 2.4 question number 5. So question number 5 we have to factorize the polynomial again, and we are given the first polynomial. This is the first part, that factorize this polynomial, and there are two methods of doing this. Let us start by both the method. Let us do by both the method. Whichever you will feel easy, you do by that method. Okay. So let me start with first. We have to put very first the different values of x. So let me put very first x is equals to 1. Then it will not become 0. So where we will put x is equals to minus 1. Then same way x is equals to 2, x is equals to minus 2, like this. So now x is equals to minus 1. So this polynomial at x is equals to minus 1 will become minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So that means minus 1, this will become plus, minus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Cancel out so that it becomes 0. So that means x is equals to 1. Satisfy the equation. That means this is the 0 of this polynomial. So what we'll do? Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial px. Now if it is a factor of polynomial px, so what you will do? If we will divide this polynomial by x minus 1, the remainder will come 0. So let us divide. So what we will do? So divide it by x minus 1. So we will do x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So we want x cube, here is x, so we will multiply it by x square. So x cube, then this by this minus x square. So what will get? Subtracted, this will become this will become this is cancelled out, minus plus minus. So this 2 minus 1, 1, x square, the sign will come minus because 2 is greater. Then minus x we will note down here from this. So now we want minus x square. So this is x, we will do minus x. So minus x square minus minus plus x. So plus x minus. Cancel out, minus 2x, this will note down, plus 2. So why want minus 2x? So minus 2 I just do here, so it will become minus 2x, minus minus plus 2. So it will become plus minus. So the remainder becomes 0. Okay. So now next step, what we will do? With division algorithm we will put. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let me put division algorithm. What is it? That x minus 1, this polynomial, this equals to what we have? Divisor into quotient x square minus x minus 2 plus remainder. So plus remainder is 0, so we'll put equals to 0 for this. Okay. So after this we reach till here. So now what is? Plus 0 means if we write 0 or not, it will be 5. So what we'll do? X minus 1 write as it is, because x minus 1 was already one of the factor. Now this is quadratic equation. Solve this. 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2 will do x square minus 2x plus x. Plus minus minus 2 minus 1 minus x minus 2. So we'll get x minus 1. From these two x is common and x minus 2 plus from these 1 is common. So x minus 2 remain inside. X minus 1, and from here x minus 2 is common, and what is left? X plus 1 is left. So these are the factors. Order you can change. You can write x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2. Okay. So these are the factor of this polynomial. Okay. This is the first method. The second method which you can do, that is, this is the first method. Now second method. This is your polynomial. First thing is same. You will put x is equals to 1. So put x is equals to 1. So you have to find the factor of this. So that means 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So we are putting x is equals to plus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Cancel out. It becomes 0. So therefore x, bring a 1 this side, x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial p of x. Okay. Till here it is same as you have done in previous method. Now after this, in previous method, what you did, you have divided this by that. So now what we'll do, directly we can do, see, x minus 1 is a factor. So write x minus 1. First I am writing this polynomial again. See, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is a polynomial. So x minus 1 is a factor. So let me write x minus 1 3 times. See, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. Okay, 3 times I have written. Now what I have to do, see. Very first I want plus x cube. So here I will multiply it by x square. X square into x, x cube. Now what I got? This into this also, minus x square. But what I want? We want minus 2x square. So minus 2x square, how we will get? When we will get minus 2. So minus 3x square, sorry, plus 3 minus 2x square. So what we will get? If we will do minus x square, so we will get minus 2x square. So minus x square, how we will get? Minus x square will get. Minus minus plus x. So next we want minus x. Plus x, if I will do here minus 2. So that means minus 2x. Minus plus minus. So minus x. Minus minus plus. It will become plus 2. See? Okay. Again I am telling you how you will do. Again look at here. Again I am just solving it. 3 times you read x minus 1. Then very first what you want? X cube. So I am multiplying here by x square. X square into x, x cube. Now I will multiply both minus x square. So now what we will get? Want minus 2x square next. So minus x square already we have. So we want minus x square one more. So minus x square will get from here. So minus x square we get. Minus minus plus x. So minus 2x square we got now. Now we want minus x. तो here we add plus x. Plus x minus x कैसे मिलेगा? जब हम इसे minus 2 कर देंगे. So minus 2x. So we'll get minus x. Then this multiplied by this, minus minus plus 2 already we got. So same thing we get here. So now what we'll do? This is run work. So this we don't have to do. Okay. This we have to do. So now what we'll do? 1, 2, 3 terms are here because minus minus. So x minus 1 is common. Take x minus 1 common. What is left inside? From here x square minus x minus 1 outside x minus 1 outside minus 2. So now this is quadratic equation. So x minus 1, this one we have to solve. 2 ones are 2, x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Solve this. X minus 1, from these two x common, x minus 2, from these 1 common, x minus 2. So x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1. These are your vectors. Same answer by this method, same answer by that method. So whatever wish you want to do, you can do by that method. Now let me come to second part of this factorization. Okay, now I will do by this method because this is a little short method. You will try by that method also. Okay, revise the video and see again how we did. Okay, so now the second part of fifth question. So second part is, what is the second part? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. This is your second one. Now same way what we have to do, we have to put the value of x such that this polynomial will become 0. Look at here, if you put 1 plus 1, so these three will be negative. Just consider, so it will not come 0. So let us try with x is equals to minus 1. You put x is equals to 1 first, put x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into x cube again minus 1 minus 5. So minus 1 cube means minus 1. Odd number, even number, so it will become plus. Minus 3 minus minus plus 9 minus 5. 5 6 7 8 9 3 negative, so we'll add them. Minus 9 plus 9, it becomes 0. So that means for putting x is equals to minus 1, this polynomial becomes 0. So this is the polynomial 0 of the polynomial. So therefore bring 1 this side. X plus 1 is a factor, so therefore x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial px. Same way now x plus 1 is a factor. So now let me write this polynomial again. Therefore x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. X plus 1 is a factor, so I am writing x plus 1 3 times. Okay? No. So now what we want? We want x cube first. So what we'll write? X square in front of it. So x square into x cube we got. Then next we'll multiply because this is inside, so we have to plus x square we have. Now what we got? We want minus 3x square. तो minus 3x square कैसे आएगा जब यहाँ पर minus 4x square होगा. So minus 4x. So minus 4x into x minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. Solve करो इन दोनों को तो this comes minus 3x square. So this multiply by this minus 4x. लेकिन अब क्या चाहिए? Minus 9x चाहिए. तो minus 9x कैसे आएगा जब minus 5x और होगा. तो minus 5x नहीं लिखेंगे x एंड. So this is minus 5x यहाँ गया, minus plus minus 5 ऐसे ही गया. ठीक है? So we will get like this. Okay? Revise the video again and see how we got this. Now from all these three terms we have x plus 1 common. So x plus 1 we will take common. So what is left behind? X square minus 4x minus 5. So x plus 1 will rewrite it. This is quadratic equation. 5 is a 5. So we'll do x square minus 5x plus x minus 5. Solve this. X plus 1 from these two x common. So x minus 5. From these two plus 1 common. So x minus 5. Therefore we will have x plus 1. What is that? X plus 1 and x minus 5. So these are your factors of this polynomial by second method. First method you can do, if you will get x plus 1 is a factor, so you will divide this by this. तो जो भी मैटर by division algorithm लगाओगे तो same this condition you will get, ये वाली. After division you will get this condition. फिर same method is this. ठीक है? तो जो हमने divide किया है बस ये एक स्टेप उस डिवाइड की जगह है. ओके? सो उसके बाद ये जो है सेम हुई है. ओके? सो नाउ वी विल कम टू थर्ड पार्ट. Will become more easy if we do the fourth part. You do yourself. Okay? There are 4 parts. So 3 parts we are doing and 4th part you will do. Try yourself. Okay? So third part is there of 5th question. What is there? X cube minus 13x square. X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Okay? Same way, put the value of plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2. Look at here, if we'll put x is equals to plus 1, तो यहाँ पर कहीं भी minus नहीं होगा, तो cancel नहीं हो पाएगा, 0 नहीं आ पाएगा. So let us put x is equals to minus 1 first. Okay? So put x is equals to minus 1 because हमें यहाँ minus चाहिए cancel होने के लिए. Okay? So minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. So what we'll get? Minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So minus 33 plus 33 which becomes 0. Got 0? Therefore x plus 1 इसको इधर लेके आओ is a factor of polynomial px. ठीक है? फिर we will write this. Therefore x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 will be written as x plus 1 factor है तो x plus 1 को 3 times लिख लो. x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. ठीक है? Now very first we want plus x cube. तो यहाँ x square चाहिए. x square into x we got x cube. Second we will get x square. लेकिन हमें कितना चाहिए 13x square. तो इसमें plus 12x square ऐड करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पर plus 12x square यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. So we'll get plus 12x square. हो गया 13x square. So now next we'll get plus 12x. ठीक है, प्लस 12x है, लेकिन हमें क्या चाहिए 32x. कितना ऐड करना पड़ेगा 20. ठीक है, तो 20x यहाँ से करना पड़ेगा. तो प्लस 20x करेंगे तो 32x मिल गया. प्लस 20 ये खुद ही आ जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ दैट मीन्स दिस वी गॉट. ये तो हमने रफली करा है. ठीक है, तो दिस वी डोंट वांट. सो नाउ व्हाट विल टेक x plus 1 कॉमन. What will get x square plus 12x plus 20. x plus 1 कॉमन नहीं, यहाँ से x square, यहाँ से 12x, यहाँ से 20 मिला. So what will get here from here x plus 1 quadratic equation. 20 को फैक्टराइज करो, 10 2 जा 20. x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. So what will get x plus 1 from these two x common. X plus 10 from these two common. X plus 10. So x plus 1, x plus 10 कॉमन हो गया तो x plus 2 मिला. ठीक है, x plus 2 and x plus 10. Okay, so this is your answer, this is your solution. Okay, so these are the three parts of factors. These three parts or these four parts are very important for the point of view of your examination. Factorize the cubic polynomial. Okay, so for this video this is enough. Next video we'll do the next exercise. Thank you very much. Keep watching it.